Question number 5 is also about the how can you maximize utility and the equation we just mentioned. However, this question is more complicated because if you look at the table, you will find the number you know is the total utility. Now you need to know that you need to do one more step, that is convert the total utility to marginal utility. Now let's look at the question. Suppose the following table reflects the total satisfaction derived from consumption of the pizza slice and the Pepsis. And so the first row in the table is the quantity consumed, and the second row is the total utility of the pressure from the pizza slice. And third row is about the total utility of the pressures from Pepsis. The question is asked you, assume that the pizza cost is $1 per slice and the large Pepsi costs $2. With 20 to spend, what consumption mix will maximize satisfaction? So now let's convert our total utility to marginal utility and convert the marginal utility to utility per dollar. So first, let's look at the marginal utility. Marginal utility for the pizza. So the quantity we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now first look at when we consume the first piece of slice of the pizza, the utility is 47. So that means the marginal utility is 47. So when we eat the second slice, so the utility is 92. In order to get the marginal utility, what you need to do is you use 92 minus 47. Then you got 45. And how about the next? And you get 132 minus 45, so the utility is 87. So you do the same thing for the rest of them. So you 196 minus 100 minus 166, and you get 30. And the next 224 minus the 196, and you got 28. And how about next? So the next equal to the 251 minus the 224, and you get 27. So you can find all the marginal utility is larger than 0, but they are keep decreasing. So how about the next? So the next we use 271 minus the 251, and we get 20. And how about the next? So we use the 288 minus 271, and we get 17. And how about the next? We use 303 minus the 288, and we got 15. So you can see the numbers keep decreasing. And how about the next? 313 minus 303, and we got 10. And 315 minus the 313, and we got 2. Oh, the utility is 2. It's pretty low. So the next will be equal to 312 minus 315, and we got negative 3. Okay, now the marginal utility become like negative, which means the total utility start to decrease. So how about the last one? 300 minus the 312, and we got negative 12. So this is a marginal utility for Pepsi, for the pizza slices. How about the marginal utility for the Pepsi? So we still have 14. We can have maximum 14 bottle of the Pepsis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we do the same thing as we do for the pizza. So first we use the first bottle of the Pepsi is 111, and the second is 200 minus 111, we got 89. And the next is 272 minus 200, and we got 72. And we use 336 minus 272, and we got 64. And the next is 386 minus 336, and we got 50. And the next we use the 426 minus the 386, and we got 40. Again, it keeps decreasing the marginal utility. And how about the next? 452 minus 426, and we got 26. And the next will be 456 minus 452, and we got 4. Oh, it's big change. And how about next? 444 minus 456, and we got negative 12. How about the next? And we use the 408 minus 444, and we got negative 36. How about the next? And we got a 340 minus 408, and we got negative 38. And how about the next? We use the 217 minus 340, and we got negative 10123. And how about next? We use 92 minus 217, and we got negative 215. So the last one, negative 17 minus 92, and we got negative 17 minus 92, and we got negative 189. Wow. So you can see the Pepsi's marginal utility decreasing. So in order to know the final answer, please look at the equation we just used before. So we need to figure out the utility divided by price. If they are the utility divided by its own price equal to the pizza equal to the utility of the Pepsi divided by Pepsi's price, and we will find the maximum amount of bundle. So luckily for the pizza, the cost is $1 per slice. Only the Pepsi costs $2 per price. So if we use a marginal utility from the pizza divided by pizza's price, and we will have exactly equal to the marginal utility of the pizza. But we need to do some calculation for marginal utility of the Pepsi divided by Pepsi's price. So here, divide price. So we will find if 111 divided by 2, we get 55.5, and 89 divided by 2, 44.5, 72 divided by 2, 36, 64 divided by 2, 32, 50 divided by 2, 25, 20, 13, 2. And we can stop because we don't expect that it will be the negative. So now we can do the same thing for the marginal utility for divided by the price for pizza. So that is 70, 47, 45, 87, 30, 28, 27, 20, 70, and 15, 10, 2. So now we just try to compare which the column for marginal utility divided price, which two are the same. So now we can find when we consume 2 slices of the pizza, 6 bottles of the Pepsi, we got exactly same marginal utility divided price. So the answer for this question is the maximum, the consumption mix will maximize satisfaction will be 7 slices of the pizza plus 6 bottles of the Pepsi. So this is a hard question, but if you know the marginal utility maximization rule, it will be easy to guide the final